Hey, hi, my name is Rotarian Mahesh Kalyanpur, and in this video, I am going to discuss with you the most fundamental, the most important thing, and that is rain water harvesting. Dear friends, let me share my slides with you. So, like I said, in this video, we will discuss what rainwater harvesting and the importance of rainwater. Dear friends, rainwater is the most important thing in each and every individual's life. Just have a look at this picture. This is self-explanatory. Rainwater is actually a life-making material. Without rainwater, a barren land would look like this. But look at this picture, what it tells. It speaks a million words, right? With rainwater, barren land also will become full of life. Dear friends, have a look at this slide. There was a scientist in Japan by the name Masaru Emoto. He conducted series of experiments. What he did was he crystallized water, and before prayer he analyzed the crystals of water under the microscope, and after prayer he analyzed the crystals of water under the microscope. This is how it looked. Before the prayer you can see the difference, and after the prayer you can see the difference. This is a clear indication that water is very sensitive, and water is life making material. It has enormous power. Okay, so we can never underestimate the power of water. So dear friends, our ancestors also have told us to worship water in Kalash. You might have seen in lot of places, whenever there is a puja to be performed, the first thing they do is they do Kalash Sthapana, right? So this is because water is highly auspicious, and if we pray with water, maybe the cosmic energy that is drawn during the puja, maybe that is more, right? It could be possible, right? So now time has come. Time has come, and we need to pay back. We need to give back to the society. How can we do it? 54% of India is facing extreme water stress. 54% of India is facing problem, right? So it is, don't you think, our individual responsibility that we do something right now? The best thing you can do is rain water harvesting in whatever limited way you can. I have stepped in. I have done rainwater harvesting in my home. Let me take a small tour. Let me show you how exactly I have done it.